Ofisi ya mkurugenzi wa mashtaka ya umma imesema kuwa uchunguzi umekamilika na kesi hiyo sasa itafanyiwa uchunguzi wa kina, ambapo wanafunzi watashuhudia kama mashahidi mahakamani.
Your Honor, as the last time I was in this court, Your Honor, and we appreciate the court granted us for 7 days for the investigation to be carried out. Your Honor, I would like to inform this honorable court that we finalized our investigation and the same file was forwarded to the ODPP for the perusal and advice. Of which, for this morning and some few minutes ago, I am still making a follow-up on their decision